Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can add shadow in Canva shape. So there is a two method I will show you one by one. So guys, let's start the video. So okay guys, so here I'm on my canvas. So let me take one blank canvas. Okay, and here I'm going to use one shape. So I let me go in elements and search for shapes. So here we have shapes. So I just take these shapes. Okay, this one. Okay, in first method you can just increase the shape size and make it fit to the canvas like this. Okay, and keep at the middle. You can change the shape color if you want. Okay, now go to the share, go to the see all, and go to the copy clipboard. Okay, just copy it. Now copy to clipboard. Now just delete that original and just hit the Ctrl plus V to paste that copied clipboard. Okay, this is like not shape, this is like image now. Okay, so you can remove the background and crop it like this. Now we have shapes. Okay, and now we go to the edit image, and here we need to go in that app. Let me show you. Okay, just go to the edit, and here go to the edit. You can see this shadow option. Go to the see all, and you can give any shadow, and here you can also use that blur amount. Okay, like this. Angle also you can change, and here the distance you can also change, like maximum, minimize. And here you can change your shadow color. If you want to change shadow color, you can change it. Okay, and here the intensity you can change. Okay, after you done, just come back. Now your shadow of this shape has been done. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.